Today we're going to take a quick look at this mechanical keyboard. The company did send this over and compensate me to make this video, and this thing is pretty cool, so let's take an up-close look at it. So this is the keyboard itself right here, and you can see that obviously it's got a lot going on. So I'll show you some of the functionalities, but first of all, connecting it to your computer, you can do a few things. So I have mine connected here to my computer with a USB, USA to USB cable, but then you can also connect it with the 2.4 hertz or 2.4 gigahertz adapter. So this is a USB-A adapter, and then you can also do Bluetooth. So if you slide that all the way up to BT, that's going to be Bluetooth, USB, and then 2.4. So I'm on USB, and it's Mac or Windows, so I'm on Mac. And then while I'm down here, I'll show you this does have several different adjustable things as far as the tilt, the height on it, and then it does have these really nice anti-slip pads there, so if you are playing like gaming and stuff, it's not going to move around on you. Now you'll notice all the lights and all the configuration here. So to connect it to Bluetooth, the cool thing is you do have 3 different Bluetooth devices you can connect it to here. So most of the functionality is going to be hold the function button and then hold down the Bluetooth 1, and it's going to start flashing, connect it, then 2, then 3. So 3 different devices. Which is pretty cool. Or you can do the 2.4 gigahertz as well to connect it there if you need to. Now, the manual covers all of this stuff in depth as far as the keystrokes and the combinations to change all the different lighting, but it does have 20 different RGB lighting effects, and you can just function and then press insert, and you can start to see those. I'm going to move it into this little corner here so you can see them a little bit better, and then you have 20 different ones there. Now if you continue with function and do delete, then you can change the colors on there, which is pretty cool. So you can change the colors, and then if it does have like a lighting effect and you want it to go faster or slower, then you can function and do the right arrow, and then it's going to speed up whatever that it's doing. So you can kind of see that there, speeding that up. And if you want to slow it down, you just go back to the left and it will slow it down. And then if you want to take down the brightness, you can just function and then push the arrow key down, or function and arrow key up, and that's going to bring up the brightness. So once again, a lot of different functionalities in here as far as using the keyboard and the different functions that it does. There's like 20 different ones. I was trying to find my favorite one here, but you can hear the clicking, that mechanical keyboard sound. Pretty cool little setup there. So a couple other things that I like about it: it does have removable keys, so you can take this little tool and remove the key. So if I wanted to remove the space bar here and switch it out, they did provide an additional space bar in this kit, so I can just pull this out here, and then you can see it. This one I pulled it too hard, so it did actually pull out this little mechanic piece there, but no problem. It does come with 4 extra ones, and then it does come with a space bar, and then it comes with the arrow keys, so you can kind of customize those as you want to there. So really simple to put back into place. So I'll do that real quick. So just pop that into place, and then take the space bar, pop that into place, and you're good to go. So if you're looking for a really nice, good quality mechanical keyboard, then this one is definitely going to do it for you. Hope this helps.